Hello friends, my name is Praveen. I am from SALMAN Manufacturing Company, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Now I have come to Trivandrum in the state of Kerala. So let's talk to the customer. Hello sir.
Hello,
Sir, please tell me your name.
my name is Sajan Raj.
Okay, Sergeant Raj sir, tell me your address.
I am from Trivandrum. My company name is Lakshar Food and Mills in Vamanavaram.
Okay sir, you have taken this bottle filling machine 1+3.
Yes.
How do you feel machine?
Yeah, good.
Okay, sir, where did you see the machine?
In YouTube.
YouTube.
Yes.
Then why did you prefer SS company?
Yes, good quality machine and easy to handling.
Okay, sir. What can you say about your company?
My company I am starting now.
Okay, sir. Sir, did you buy the machine online, offline?
Online.
Online
Yes,
purchase?
yes.
Okay, sir. How many days did get you the machine?
10 days.
10 days.
Yes.
And how many did you get the installation?
Just 2 days.
Okay. Sir, you did a sort of testing today.
Yes.
So how do you feel about quality?
Good quality soda.
Okay, thank you, sir, your feedback.
Thank you.
Okay, and nice to meet you, sir. So let me introduce you now, Mr. Bijju Pallakad. There are technical director VB and control system Pallakad. So they have come for soda machine and quality soda testing. Hello, sir.
Good evening. I am Bijumar from Palakkad. I am Technical Director of BBN Control Systems Private Limited. Now the Project Manager for Lexa Food and Minerals Trivandrum also. The Lexa Food manufacturing food products, soda, soft drinks, and the taken soda soft drinks machine from SS Soda Industries, Gujarat. And with my experience, technical experience and testing, this is the best unit available in the South Indian market. Its performance is very best and very low price economy product. And as I told, it's best product in the South India. And thanks and congratulations to the management and especially to Mr. Praveen, who make the project engineer who done installation in very good way. Especially thanks to Mr. Praveen. Thank you very much.
So sir, you observed closely machine.
Yeah.
So how did you feel about this machine?
Yeah, I feel very good performance, good aesthetics, and one of the best product in the South Indian market. I feel that.
Okay, sir. How is the machine to operate?
It is very easy to operate, and systems controls are very smart. It is very modern type controls. Everything is look like good, easy to operate, and best in industry.
Okay. How did you feel when you drank soda?
Yeah, it's giving a good quality and which is very competitive to the market. It is a best product.
Okay, sir. I really thank you for your important feedback. Thank you very so much, sir. So, sir, okay, last question, sir. Sir, your talk was with Ashwini Nehe, SS company sales executive.
Yeah.
So, how did they respond to you?
I got very good response from company side. It's Mr. Ashwini and other executives also. I got good feedbacks on my technical questions inquiry, techno-commercial inquiry. I got a very good feedback. Really thank you for the company again.
Okay. Have they given you complete information about the machine?
Yes, almost whatever the possible exposing level, I got the full knowledge about the machinery and fully I got it.
If they want to give you feedback marks, how much out of 5 will you give?
Out of 5, I can give full mark, 5 mark, because that's why I got full support and everything is both by soda system management. And moreover, the installation side engineer also given full support.
Okay, sir. I am Praveen technical support. How many marks will you give me out of 5?
No doubt, Praveen, you also getting 5 out of 5, and really thank you very much for your support, work, and performance you given for all this area of work and the training given. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, purchasing SS Soda product. Our congratulations and best of luck, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen.